Hello everyone. Today we are here to learn about the plants, their different parts and their function. We also learn about the importance of plants, how the plants are important for the survival of all the living beings on earth. How do their different parts work for the growth of the plants? So, let's start to learn about the plants. As we know, the plants are very important for all the living beings. Without plants, life on our planet is not possible. You can say that without plants, life on earth would not exist. How we can say that plants are important for the survival of living beings? For that, you can see the first point, plants produce oxygen. Oxygen which we need to survive, to breathe, to respire. Plants also renew the air. Plants act as the source of food for animals and also for human beings. Plants also provide home to all the wild animals. We know that lion, tiger, deer, bear all are living in forest areas which are covered with trees, and yes, we can say that plants are providing home to wildlife. Plants beautify our surroundings. Plants also furnish building materials and fuel. Now we are going to discuss the different parts of a plant. Parts of a plant can be divided into 5 parts, or we can say basically we can divide the plant into 5 parts, and these 5 parts are leaves, stems, flowers, roots and fruits. Just have a look on the given picture. In that we can see the different parts of the plant clearly. Roots, leaves, stems, flowers, fruit and yes, seed that we need to grow a plant. Without seed, a plant can't grow. The first thing that we need to grow a plant is the seed. The seed which produces a new plant and it provides food for the young plant. After a seed, the next part of a plant is root. Roots which grows under the ground, and in the picture you can easily identify the roots. कैसी दिख रही हैं roots? You can identify them. It grows under the ground. This is the part of the plant which always grows under the ground. Now in this slide you can see the function of roots, how the roots help a plant to grow. As we cleared that the roots grows under the ground. So what is the first work of the roots? It hold the plant in the soil. The roots hold the plant in the soil and they also absorb the water and the minerals, nutrients which are required for the growth of the plants. They help to anchor the plant under the soil, or we can say they help to firm it under the soil. If the roots of a plant is strong, then only the plant is able to grow and to stand upright. So the most important thing is when a plant grow, the first part of the plant is under the ground, that is root, which hold it under the ground. Move to the next part of a plant, that is stem. Stem is also a very important part of a plant. It helps the plant to stand upright. It carries water and minerals from the roots to the leaves and carries food prepared by the leaves to the different parts of the plant. In brief, we can say the stem supports the plant so it can get lots of light that is necessary to prepare food by the leaves. It carries water and nutrients from the roots and then it's sent to the different parts of the plant. Another important part of a plant is a leaf. We can see so many leaves on a plant which are green in color. How they are green? What is the thing that make the color of the leaves green? Yes, chlorophyll. Presence of chlorophyll gives them green color. Leaves are also called the food factories of the plants. They are preparing food for the plants by which they can grow. Leaves take in the carbon dioxide and give out the oxygen. Leaves need sunlight, air, and water to make food for the plant. Or we can say leaves capture sunlight to make food for the plant, and the whole process is called photosynthesis. The next part of a plant is flower. Yes, flowers are the reproductive parts of the plant. They come in different shapes, sizes, and colors. And by the process of pollination, many flowers develop into delicious fruits which are eaten by us. They are the reproductive part of most of the plants. And yes, it is in the flower that seeds start to grow. Their petals are colorful to attract insects for the process of the pollination. And yes, after the pollination, many flowers develop into delicious fruits which are eaten by us. Fruits, the tasty and delicious part of the plants. They contain the seed. Some fruits have one seed, like mango. Others have more than one seed, like guava. Not all fruits can be eaten. So, by this, we come to know about the so many parts of the plant and their functions. I hope that all of you have understood the topic, understood about the parts of the plants and their functions. Thank you.